Hello students, all of you are once again welcomed in online classes delivered by me. I am your own Sushil sir and today I am going to teach you mathematics of class 8 chapter 1 total recall exercise 1. Students, in question number first you have been given find the additive inverse of. Students, the additive inverse of a number can be obtained by multiplying minus 1. Thus students, additive inverse, there are 5 parts. You have been given 5 parts and I have decided to give you part A and part B. Homework, solve A and B yourself. This means you have to solve part A and part B at home, and I have solved part C minus 314. Students, additive inverse of minus 314 equals minus 314 multiplied by minus 1 and the product of two negative integers is always positive. Thus the additive inverse of minus 314 equals 314. And part D, students, in part D 215, additive inverse of 215 equals 215 multiplied by minus 1 equals the product of a positive and a negative integer is always negative. Thus the additive inverse of 215 equals minus 215. In part E 0, additive inverse of 0 equals 0 multiplied by 1 equals 0. Students, at home you have to solve part A and part B by yourself. Now question number 2, you have been given simplify. Students, part A 20 multiplied by minus 13 plus 15 multiplied by 12. Part B minus 14 multiplied by minus 29 plus minus 30 multiplied by minus 24. Students, you are given homework, solve part A by yourself. तो पार्ट ए यानी फर्स्ट आपको योरसेल्फ सॉल्व करना है एंड आई हैव सॉल्व पार्ट बी फॉर यू. मैंने आपके लिए पार्ट बी सॉल्व किया है. माइनस 14 मल्टीप्लाई बाई माइनस 29 प्लस माइनस 30 मल्टीप्लाई बाई माइनस 24. स्टूडेंट्स, once again remind the famous formula for simplification, that is the board mass. B for bracket, O for off, D for divide, M for multiply, A for addition and S for subtraction. Students, first of all we have to make multiplication. Students, minus and minus will give a positive integer. Here minus 30 multiplied by minus 24. Students, 14 9 ja 126. In 126 we write 6 and take 12 carry. 14 2 ja 28. 28 plus 12 40. Thus you get 406. As product of two negative integers is a positive integer. Further, the operator plus is seen. Now minus 30 multiplied by minus 24. The product of two negative integers is always positive. Students, 24 0 जा 0, 24 0 जा 0, 24 3 जा 72. Thus you get 406 plus 720. Now the operator indicates you have to make operation of addition. 6 plus 0 equals 6. Here remains 2 plus 0 2, and here 7 plus 4 11. Thus you get 1126 as answer. Thus your answer is 1126. Students, now question 3. There are 87 students in class and 1/3 of the students are girls. How many boys are there in the class? Students, in a class में 87 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, और इन 87 में से टोटल 1/3 ऑफ 87 स्टूडेंट्स और गर्ल्स. तो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ मेनी बॉयज आर देयर इन द क्लास? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टू डिसाइड फाइंड द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स. स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ गर्ल्स इक्वल्स 1 - 1/3. तो number of boys in the class equals, students, 1 - 1/3 of total students equals, students, here 3 1 ja 3 - 1 2/3 of 87. Students, of means multiply. Thus 2/3 of 87 equals 2 multiply by 87/3. 8 7 15. 15 is a multiple of 3, so that 87 will be divided by 3. 3 2 ja 6. Here remains 2. Writing 7, number becomes 27. 3 9 ja 27 equals 2 9 ja 18. 8 1 carry. 2 2 ja 4 1 5. Thus number of boys equals 58. Answer 58 boys. Students, question number 4. Divide 25 by 2 whole 1/2. B 5 whole 10 by 9 by 11/7. C 125 by 4 whole 5/5. Part D 6 whole 6/7 by 16/7. Students, you have been given 4 parts and you have to solve part A and part B yourself as homework. तो आपको A, B, C और D में से A और B आपको घर पे सेल्फ होमवर्क सॉल्व करना है. एंड आंसर पार्ट C 125 divided by 4 whole number 5/5 equals 125 can be written as 125/1 divided by 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20 plus 5 25/5, 25/5 equals डिवाइडेंड क्या है हमारा 125/1. तो हमने ये लिख लिया 125/1. और इन केस ऑफ डिवीजन बी चेंज द ऑपरेटर डिवाइडेड इनटू मल्टीप्लाई. तो हम यहाँ पे डिवाइड का साइन था, यहाँ पे हमने मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज कर दिया. और ये डिवाइजर हमारा था 25/5. अब हम डिवाइजर का रेसिप्रोकल लिख देंगे 5/25. नाउ 25 1 जा 25, 25 5 जा 125 इक्वल्स 5 5 जा 25. तो हमारा आंसर क्या है 25. एंड पार्ट डी, इन पार्ट डी वी हैव बीन गिवन टू सॉल्व 6 होल नंबर 6/7 by 16/7 equals converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. We find 7 6 ja 42 plus 6 48/7 divided by 16/7 equals 48/7 and the sign of division becomes sign of multiplication and the divisor is written as its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 16 upon 7 is 7 upon 16. Now 7 will be cancelled. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, and here 16 1 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48 equals 3. Thus your answer comes 3. Understood completely? In next question number 5. Question number 5. Are 8 upon minus 10 and 12 upon minus 15 equal? First of all, to compare the both fractions, you have to find if the both fractions are in their simplest form or not. क्या दोनों simplest form में है या नहीं है? तो मैं पाता हूँ 8 upon minus 10 equals the HCF, the both number 8 and 10 are divided by 2 equals 8 divided by 2 upon minus 10 divided by 2. 2 4 ja 8 and 2 5 ja 10. Thus 8 upon minus 10 is equivalent to 4 upon minus 5 and 12 upon minus 15 equals the both 12 and 15 are divided by 3 equals 12 divided by 3 upon minus 15 divided by 3 equals, students, 3 4 ja 12 upon 3 5 ja 15. Students, 12 upon 15 minus 15 is also equivalent to 4 upon minus 5. Thus both the fractions given minus 8 upon minus 10 and 12 upon minus 15 are equal. Understood completely? Any problem? Okay. So students, next in question number 6, put the correct symbol of greater than, less than or equal to in each box. Students, first absolute value of minus x and absolute value of x, absolute value of minus 6.5 and absolute value of 85 upon 10, absolute value of minus 89 and absolute value of minus 98, absolute value of 1 upon 4 minus 0.25 and absolute value of 0, absolute value of 176 and absolute value of 112. Students, first of all you have to understand the meaning of absolute value. Suppose you are standing on 0 at 0 on number line and you are asked to go plus 3. How many units you have to cover? 3 units. Same way, if you are asked to go minus 3, it is clear that you have to cover 3 unit distances. Thus absolute value of an integer, absolute value of an integer is signless. This means absolute value of 3 is equal to 3 and absolute value of minus 3 is also equal to 3. Thus students, फर्स्ट तो इस प्रकार से माइनस एक्स की एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू भी x हो जाएगी और x की भी वैल्यू एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू x हो जाएगी, देन बोथ आर इक्वल. तो ये दोनों इक्वल हैं. तो यहाँ पे क्या साइन हमने पुट कर दिया? इक्वल का साइन पुट कर दिया है. एंड सेकेंड में स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्ट नंबर हमारा क्या है? एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ माइनस 6.5. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 6.5 हो जाएगा. और सेकेंड में क्या है? 85/10. when you will change into decimal you will get 8.5. students, 8.5 is greater than 6.5. thus 6.5 is less than 85/10. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या साइन लगाया है? लेस देन का लगाया है. स्टूडेंट्स थर्ड में 89 is less than 98. that is why I also have put less than sign. and part fourth 1/4 minus 0.25. स्टूडेंट्स 1/4 इज सेम एज 0.25. 0.25 का रेशनल कन्वर्जन 1/4 होगा. तो 1/4 माइनस 1/4 क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. और इधर भी 0 दिया है, तो 0 और 0 दोनों इक्वल होंगे, यहाँ पे इक्वल का साइन आ गया। स्टूडेंट्स फिफ्थ में देख लेते हैं, तो फिफ्थ में हमारे -176, एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा 176, और इधर 112, तो 176 इज ग्रेटर देन 112, तो ग्रेटर देन की साइन आ गई। और नोटिस लिखा हुआ रिमेनिंग इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो इन पार्ट सेकेंड। अभी मैं आपको फिर पार्ट सेकेंड, तब तक पढ़ते रहिए। यस।